Hello everyone, this is Dr. Mihir Shah once again with another video. In this video, we are going to solve April 2019 University question paper under the subject Logistic and Supply Chain Management. In this video, we are going to solve all the practical problems that had appeared in April 2019 University question paper. Again, a very important video for all the TYBMS SEM-V students. So let us see what kind of questions were asked in April 2019 and how to solve them. The very first question was, from the following data, calculate a 3-period weighted moving average from the 4th month to the 8th month with weights 3, 2 and 1. The largest weight is being assigned to most recent period and the current demand value. They are given you period 1 to 8 and demand from 160, 180, 190, 210, 230, 240, 250, and the 8th one they are asking us to find. Okay. Now 4 columns are required to solve the sum: period, demand, working, and 3-period the weighted moving average. Under period, we'll note down 1 to 8. Under demand, 160, 180, 190, 210, 230, 240 and 250. Now since it is a 3 period weighted average or weighted moving average, the first 3 columns will remain nil. Now we'll come to the 4th step pay, but we'll take the first 3 values. 190 is the latest, so the weight will be multiplied by 3. The 180 will be multiplied by 2 and 160 will be multiplied by 1. And it will be divided by the total weight, which is 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is 6. So 190 into 3 plus 180 into 2 plus 160 into 1 comes to 1090 divided by 6. We get the value as 182. Similarly, now we'll take the next 3. So from 210, 190 and 180, so it will be 210 into 3 plus 190 into 2 plus 108, 180 into 1. That comes to 1190 divided by 6. Value comes to 198. Okay. Now the next 3. So it will start from 230. So 230 into 3 plus 210 into 2. Plus 190 into 1 gives you 1300 divided by 6, which comes to 217. Okay, after that the next 3 will be from 240 into 3 plus 230 into 2 plus 210 into 1, which comes to 1390 divided by 6, which comes to 232. Last 230 to 250, so 250 into 3 plus 240 into 2 plus 230 into 1. Total comes to 1460 divided by 6. We get the value as 243. So this is how the sum based on 3-period weighted moving average had to be solved. The first 3 column remain nil, and then we have to take with the 3 car summation with the weights. Okay, chalo, I hope everyone have understood this. You all can note down this, and then we'll move to the second sum which was asked in this particular paper. Okay, the next question reads as, the annual demand for a particular item is 15,000 units. Okay, unit cost is 4. The carrying cost is 30% and the ordering cost is rupees 50. Find EOQ, inventory cost, the total, and if the purchase manager has decided to place purchase order with minimum order quantity of 3,000 units, to get the unit cost discount of 10% per unit, state the purchase manager is justified in his decision or not. So first we note down the data. The data reads as, annual demand is 15,000, CPU was 4, carrying cost is 30%, that is 4 into 30%, which comes to 1.2. Ordering cost is 50. Okay, so first thing they are asking us to find the EOQ. EOQ is the square root of 2 into A into O divided by C. A is 15,000, O is 50 and C is 1.2. So 2 into 15,000 into 50 divided by 1.2, we get the answer as 1118 units. See, the answer was in points, so we have to round up and get into the units, can't be in points. Okay, so 1118 units is the EOQ. So 1118 is the EOQ. Next, we need to find the total inventory cost. Now for total inventory cost, we need 3 things: material cost, total ordering cost, total carrying cost. So first we find the material cost. Material cost ka formula is A multiplied by P. In our case, A is 15,000. and the P, that is CPU, is rupees 4. So 15,000 into 4 gives you 60,000. Next is total ordering cost, that is A upon EOQ into O. So that's 15,000 upon 1118 into 50, which comes to 670.8. And total carrying cost, which is half into EOQ into C, that is half into 1118 into 1.2, which comes to 670.8. Once we have those three values, now we can apply into the final formula. Total inventory cost is material cost plus ordering cost plus inventory carrying cost. So which is 60,000 plus 670.8 plus 670.8, which comes to 61,341.6. Okay. So this is how you will have to solve the second part, the first and second part, that is the EOQ and the total inventory cost. Now for the third one, they are telling you now, what if the manager has decided to take a minimum order, that is a new EOQ of 3,000 unit, and if he does that, he'll get a discount of 10% on the cost per unit. So will the total inventory cost decrease, and will it be a better decision? That we need to find. Remember, currently, okay, based on the detail what we have got, we got a total inventory cost of 61,341. So while solving the third part, and if we get the value less than 61,341, then it is a justified, it's a very good decision then. Chalo, let us see now how we solve that sum. The third part, okay, they have already given you EOQ of 3,000. So I'm written here EOQ 3,000, because of which the cost per unit will get a discount of 10%. So it was 4 rupees, I'll get 10% off. So 4 minus 10% is 3.6. Carrying cost is 30%, so it will be 30% of 3.6, which comes to 1.08. Ordering cost is 50 and annual demand was 15,000. Since EOQ is directly given, we will start with the material cost. So material cost ka formula is A into P. So that is 15,000 into 3.6, which comes to 54,000. Total ordering cost is A upon EOQ into O. So A was 15,000, EOQ is 3,000, O is 50. We multiply, divide, we got the value as 250 rupees. Total carrying total carrying cost is half into EOQ, which is 3,000 into 1.08 divided by 2, which comes to 1620. So based on these three values, we can find the final total inventory cost, which is material cost plus ordering cost plus inventory carrying cost. 54,000 plus 250 plus 1620. Total comes to 55,870, which is less than the 61,000 value that we have got. So yes, it is justified to go with the order quantity of 3,000 unit that the purchase manager has taken, since the cost is lesser as compared to the previous. So this is how you all had to solve question number 4A from this particular question paper. So I hope you all have understood how to solve both the sum. One was the weighted average, moving average, and the other one was the EOQ base with the discounting factor. I hope both of you all have understood both the sums. So with that, we will be ending this video here. Thank you.